Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot YouTube channel. And today we're going to be looking at the FreshAero Easy Light for our Grumman aircraft. It replaces the Dome Light, so stay tuned for some more details and a little bit of fun. We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, the Easy Light is a very similar shape except for the wiggly map light that's on the front, that on a boom that you can move it around. But here's just some pictures of what it looks like, and we just stole these right off the website. And then it also comes with a manual, tells you how to hook it up, how the theory of operation works. So it's a very nice system. It's not very heavy, and here it is all turned on and ready to go, and there it is. Now, we took it out on the back and we brought a ELT battery, and here we are hooking up the map light. And as you can see, we're about to make the map light red. Now, we're going to find out some more about the map light in just a minute. Now, there is a toggle switch I just moved. Now it's going to convert the map light to white. So there you go. You can have red or you can have white. Now, the other lead powers the dome light right there. Now, the dome light, they're not dimmable, as I'm going to find out here, but the dome light has 15 LEDs and it's a lot brighter than the original light. The really nice thing is that it has the same footprint as the original light. So the mounting holes are the same. So you basically take down what you have, remove one screw, move the other screw, disconnect the bulbs of the existing system, put those leads where the bulbs were, make sure that you get them in the right orientation, map forward, dome back, and then put the screws in, and now you have a dome light LED in your airplane. So pretty nice to do it. Here I am just trying to figure out why the thing wasn't working, and I can go red and white, but I wasn't being able to get it until I figured out, the dimmer is for the map light. It's not for the dome light. So now let's take a look at the map light here. So here it is on dim and white. Then I'm going to turn it up. Yay, it's pretty bright. Kind of hard to do. Thank God the camera was on a tripod trying to move things around. But it's a nice light and it draws a lot less current. You won't be messing with the bulb. And there. So here's what it looks like in the profile. That switch is for red and white, and the dimmer is for the map light. And the map light is on a gooseneck so that you can position it where you want it, however you want it, left, right, into the pilot, into the co-pilot. It is flexible. You just want to make the cautionary that when you go to install it, you put the lead on the forward end by the map light into the map light power socket, and you do the same thing for the back. You put in the remaining socket for the dome light. You could put them in backwards, but then you'd have a really interesting operating airplane when you wanted to have a map light. And then the mounting holes go all the way through. As Bob points out, that case is not sealed, but there is nothing inside of it that is user serviceable or repairable. So just leave it sealed. So you, again, take the old one down, put these in after you take out the bulbs, put the two screws in, and away you go with your own map light. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what it looks like from FreshAero. They're about $150, and they take a while. Their website will give you, but they're on the website, and this is what they look like. And just go to that page, and it's not hard to find. And here's how you can contact FreshAero. There's mailing address and everything else. So, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this about the flight lights, and especially the Easy Light, useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Well, here's Freckles, our 19-year-old cat supervisor. Hopscotch and Sweet Pea shredding a box of soap. Tarzan hunting on the back porch trying to catch a bird on the other side of the screen. Here he goes making his leap to get up there. Quite the angelic one. They are quite the activity. And little one here, we were out and start call her Squeaker, because that's what she does. She squeaks instead of meows. And of course, they're the in and out kitties, because either they want in or they want out.